In this video, I will show you how to auto invest in Trading 212. To do this, first just go and open up the Trading 212 app, and what you want to do is find a pie. Since auto invest happens through pies, you cannot auto invest in a separate stock. So to find your pies, just swipe up this section, or in the future it may just be down here, but just go to a pie. Or if you don't yet have a pie, you can click create a pie in order to build your own, use one of their models, or use a social one. So this is a pie created by another Trading 212 user. Whichever one you want to do is fine. For example, if I want to use almost daily dividends experiment right here, I can just select this pie, click next, and after you have your pie, when setting it up, you can already do auto invest. But for this example, I'm just going to create it since you may already have one. So open up your pie and scroll down. Then from there you will see auto invest. If it's already on, then you're already using auto invest. If not, go and click on auto invest, and then here you can turn it on. So you can set an initial deposit, which is how much you will deposit today. Now, for example, if I just want to do my normal amount today, let's say I want to do 50 euros, and then down here you can select what you want to invest on a daily basis, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, every 2 months, or even 6 months. Just choose whichever one you want to do. I'll say weekly, and let's say on every Friday, and then click on update. And for example, I'll do 20 euros every Friday. Then you can set the amount of years that you want to do this for, and at the top you can see it adjusts based on your annual return how much your portfolio will be worth. So from there just click on next, and then you can click fund pie, and what it will then do is use your initial deposit, which in this case is 50 euros. If I just set that to, let's say, 1 euro, click next and then fund pie. I can then select my deposit method. And then after you fund your pie with the amount that you want to get started with, then now auto invest is on for this pie, and you can see right here in the overview weekly on, in this case Friday, it does 20 euros. Now if you want to select your payment method, you can see right here it's using free funds. I can also click on the settings icon and change it to one of my other payment methods. So that's how you can auto invest in Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.